Hello, this is your online Twitter, George Kamabo. The topic for today is angles of elevation and depression. But for the purpose of this lesson, we will look at only the angle of elevation. Now, to elevate something, the word elevate means to raise or lift something to a higher level. Now, what we are taking into consideration when we come to the lifting or raising here is the eye. When you stand upright and look straight, let's assume this is one individual with the eye. When he stands up and looks straight, he has what we call the horizon. Or the eye level. When this eye level is lifted up to say view a bird on a tree or something, there is a movement of the eye through an angle. The angle that is formed when the eye is lifted up, in this case, is what we refer to as angle of elevation. Now let's take an instance of a question where we solve questions in related to this. Now here we come. A man 2 meters tall is 100 meters away from a building 52 meters high. What is the angle of elevation of the top of the building from his eye? So in this case, what are we considering? Number one, the height of the person, this man. Number two, the distance of the person from the building and the height of the building. So if this is the man, if this is the height of the man, then the building will be taller. Right. The building will be taller. So the eye level of the man is situated here. And the man is this tall. And the building lying on the ground is 52 meters. Let's label this angle theta. So if the distance from the height of the man is 2 meters and the height of the building is 52 meters, then from the eye level to the peak of to the top of the building will be 50 meters. Now let's reconsider that eye level of the man and then the height of the building from the eye level to the man. This way, label it A, B, and C, theta. Now the distance from the man to the building is 100 meters and the height is 50 meters. How do we compute this? Let's recall our SOHCAHTOA. Those are the trig ratios. So in this case, we are going to employ tan. That is, the tan of the angle theta should be equal to the opposite, which is the height of the building from the eye level of the man, divided by the distance of the man from the building. So from here we have theta to be tan inverse of half, and this will give us 26.5651 degrees. To 2 decimal places, we have 26.57 degrees. That's by pressing your calculators to compute for the answer. Now let's take another example quickly and look at other ways in which questions can be framed based on this. Here we go. Example 2. An aeroplane when 6,000 meters high passes vertically